investing in creches and caregivers and care workers is not just social support, it is economic infrastructure. Absolutely. It is nation building.
Absolutely. Welcome once again, and thank you very much all of you for joining. We are on the 28th of October today. We have heard that this day and moment is something that we are trying to celebrate, the International Day for Care and Support. 1969 की स्टोरी थोड़ी जिक्र हुई है कि बहुत सारे डेकेड्स 5 डेकेड्स पहले ये मोबाइल क्रशेस की ये स्टोरी शुरू हुई थी, लेकिन ये अच्छी बात है that the story has moved to an international global level where UN now recognizes International Day for Care and Support. कई बार केयर और चाइल्ड केयर की बात जब हम लोग करते हैं तो बच्चों की देखरेख की बात होती है, और अक्सर early childhood development, the importance of early childhood development, the critical years in the first 6 years of a child's life, the skilling, the training, the social emotional well-being of children is often spoken about, discussed, debated, written about, researched. आज की शाम हमारे सारे क्रैश वर्कर्स, सुपरवाइजर्स, क्रैश कार्डर, केयर कार्डर जिसको कहते हैं, उनके नाम पर है. We are trying to spend our time and attention celebrating, recognizing our care workers today. Andira, that was a very long opening to even come to the spotlight and have a chief guest over here and not give the spotlight to you. But Andira, you could have been anywhere today, this evening. You could be talking about any brands, anything else that's close to your heart. What brings you here to this room to talk about child care and care workers? I'm sure everybody is curious.
Well, firstly, मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि इस शाम को we've dedicated this evening to the Child Care Champion Awards, which means only a few people come up on stage. अगर मेरा बस चलता तो यहाँ बैठे हर केयर वर्कर को, हर केयर गिवर को अवार्ड मिलना चाहिए. Because, you know, today I'm here as not as a celebrity guest or an actor. आज मैं यहाँ एक माँ के तौर पे हूँ, and I just say I can be here because I know my children are taken care of, right? तो अगर हमारे देश में और औरतों को काम करना है, they can only work when they are, you know, free in their minds that their children are taken care of. तो ये जो काम आप कर रही हैं बहुत ही महान काम है, और इसी वजह से मैं यहाँ हूँ. What the care workers do, it is incredible, and I think honestly everybody who's here needs to be honored. It shouldn't be just 7. I think there are only 7 categories जहाँ पे बैठा हर कोई, सबको अवार्ड मिलना चाहिए क्योंकि इनका काम जो है बहुत ही महान है, selfless है, and it needs to be recognized, and these ladies need to be empowered and given their due. That's why I'm here.
Thank you, Mandira. That's a huge endorsement. Just to recognize that care is universal. हम कहते हैं कि हम वंचित परिवारों के बच्चों के साथ काम करते हैं क्योंकि उन परिवारों के लिए कोई सुविधाएं नहीं है, और ये फैक्ट है that migrant workers, informal workers do not have social protection system, and their children are therefore excluded from care and good quality child care services. But care is not limited to poor families or migrant families. Care is universal. Either we are giving care,
whichever part of society you come from, whichever part of India you come from, आप जहाँ से भी आते हैं, बच्चों की देखभाल करना, the right nutrition, the right support, the right loving care, the right stimulation. मैं एक adoptive mother हूँ. मेरी बेटी 4 साल की उम्र पे हमारे घर आई थी. The first 4 years she missed out on a lot, but from the 4th year onwards, और अब वो 10 साल की होने वाली है, she's missed out a lot, but we tried to make up. बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे हैं who miss out on so much, miss out on the right nutrition, miss out on the right nurturing, miss out on the right kind of education. And I think what Mobile Creches does is gives those children the right care and what they need in those first 6 years. वो पहले 6 साल formative साल जो होते हैं बहुत important होते हैं. And what these women are doing here is incredible.
थैंक यू मंदिरा. इट लुक्स एज इफ हमने आपका टेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस करा है, बट हमने नहीं किया है. बट यू आर स्पीकिंग द लैंग्वेज ऑफ फोर्सेस,
Speaking from the heart.
exactly, and you're speaking as a woman, as a mother who recognizes the importance of early years, and that's the role that we want to play. And that's also one of the reason why the India Child Care Champions Award, that ये बातें जो है ये सिर्फ कुछ ही लोगों में सीमित ना रह जाए, ये general out in the public rahe. And to have someone like you to say, okay, you can be the bridge, to be out in the public, to say, recognize early childhood is important, care is important, and there is this whole invisible force of care workers who are doing that job. So thank
मेरे
you for
बच्चे भी
joining.
फिलहाल कोई देख रहा है.
Exactly.
बच्चों की सुरक्षा, बच्चों की सेफ्टी, बच्चों का ख्याल लिया जा रहा है. As long as that is there, you know, at the back of your mind, women can work, and it shouldn't just be women. Parents can work. हम बच्चों की देखभाल की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सिर्फ माँ को देखते हैं, but I think all parents, you know, can feel free and work freely. Working parents, not working mothers or working fathers, working parents can go out there and work when they know that their children are taken care of.
So that's an important dimension you are bringing, because एक हमारी चर्चा ये भी होती है that care is highly feminized. Care work, the burden is on women, mothers or grandmothers, and often the girl child in the family. And जब care workers की हम बात करते हैं तो it's mostly women across the country. But you know, one good thing that you can see here is that we've got very decent representation of men. So tell us a little more that how in your voice and in your power would you be able to communicate this, that care is universal and care is gender transformative. We've got to share the care with everyone.
Sumitra, I must tell you, I lost my husband 4 years ago. A lot of people know that. But when he was there, we had a rule. If I'm not there and I'm out working, मेरा काम मुंबई से ज़्यादातर बाहर रहता है. तो जब मैं काम के लिए बाहर हूँ, उनको टाउन में रहना पड़ता था, और जब वो बाहर जाते थे तो मुझे टाउन में रहना पड़ता. Now as a single parent, हम इंडियन औरतों में एक प्रॉब्लम है. मैं बताऊं क्या, कि हम अपना कंट्रोल देना नहीं चाहते किसी को. हम सब कुछ खुद करना चाहते हैं. वेरी ऑफन दैट लीड्स टू बर्न आउट. अब एज अ सिंगल पेरेंट मैंने ये सीख लिया, एंड दैट्स आई हैड नो चॉइस बट टू लर्न इट लाइक द हार्ड वे, कि हमारे देश में इंडिया में, एंड दिस इज स्पेसिफिक टू इंडिया, हमारे फैमिली, हमारे एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली भी हमारे लाइफ में इन्वॉल्व होना चाहते हैं. हमारे पड़ोसी भी हमारे लाइफ में इन्वॉल्व होना चाहते हैं. और पहले मैं वो कंट्रोल देने के लिए बहुत आई वाज हेजिटेंट, पर अब आई अलाउ पीपल टू हेल्प मी. So I allow people to give me the support. So I think letting go of control is a very a big thing. And once you let go and you trust, जब आप ट्रस्ट करते हैं कि आप अपने बच्चों को जिन हाथों में छोड़ रहे हैं, they're trustworthy people who can take care of your children. It's it gives you a lot more liberation and freedom and strength.
Thank you. So it's said that it takes a village to raise a child.
And for my 2 children, it's definitely the case.
So you see, so letting go, but also trusting other people. So building a trusting community also becomes so important. And therefore, even the role of professional care workers, because this care work that is being provided beyond the family is professional work. And even within professional work, it's highly skilled, and that skill that provides the quality is what inspires the trust. And you've got many professionally trained, skilled care workers here. From your experience, as you said कि आपके 2 बच्चे किसी के भरोसे आप उनको छोड़कर आए हैं, what have you gained or learned from your leaning on your support system, based on which you want to give some message to our care workers over here? क्या आप कहना चाहेंगे हमारे केयर वर्कर्स के लिए?
मैं यहाँ एक माँ के तौर पे आई हूँ और मैं ये कहूंगी कि माँ की सबसे बड़ी चिंता ये रहती है कि मेरे बच्चे कैसे हैं, वो ठीक हैं, सुरक्षित हैं, वो ठीक से खाना खा रहे हैं, वो सही टाइम पे सो रहे हैं, वो सबसे बड़ी चिंता रहती है। और आपके भरोसे माएँ काम पे जा सकती हैं और जो आप करती हैं वो काम नहीं है, वो आप माओ के दिल का बोझ हल्का कर रही हैं। दैट्स व्हाट दे आर डूइंग। इट इज सो स्पेशल, इट इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट। तो मैं बस आपसे ये कहना चाहूंगी कि आपका जो काम है बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। मैं आपके इस मेहनत को महसूस करती हूँ और मैं दिल से आप सबका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ। थैंक यू फॉर द वंडरफुल वर्क यू डू।
Thank you, Mandira. We talk about mental health, we talk about peace in our lives, we talk about social, emotional well-being, and we recognize that, of course, जहाँ महिलाएं बाहर हैं, उनके साथ हमारे बच्चे भी बाहर हैं, so there is space for everyone, including our children. But ये जो बात आपने कही ना कि safety, आप एक peace of mind से बाहर आती हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारे केयर वर्कर्स बहुत सारे पॉपुलेशन और फैमिलीज को वो पीस देते हैं कि आप जाइए और हम आपके बच्चे को सुरक्षित
And that peace of mind is worth its weight in gold. It really is.
Absolutely. So one day, hopefully, the initiative by Forces, the India Child Care Champion Awards, is a very small, tiny speck in the world, but can become potentially very strong. That this value that the care workers bring of societal building, peace in the country and economic progress is recognized, and they are recognized as professional workers in this country and globally also.
Yes, my message to the government, if whoever is listening, is that they are not just caregivers, they are contributing to building the nation. And if we want, we keep talking about how we want more women to be a part of the active workforce. We talk about early child development. If India is serious about that, then we have to recognize and we have to empower these women, and we have to recognize them as skilled workers and give them their due, because investing in creches and caregivers and care workers is not just social support, it is economic infrastructure.
Absolutely.
It is nation building.
Absolutely. So with that, Mandira, we hope that we've now converted you as a die-hard care champion.
Yes.
And you will go out with this message. But last words from you, Mandira.
What these women are doing, आप जो कुछ भी कर रहे हैं बहुत ही वैल्यूबल है। आप करते रहिए और मैं जानती हूँ आप ये सब अवार्ड जीतने के लिए नहीं करते। And like I said, there should be an award for everyone sitting over here. पर आप बस ये काम करते रहिए क्योंकि आप हमारे देश की प्रगति में आपका बहुत बड़ा हाथ है। Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mandira. On behalf of Forces, which is a group of around 300 odd organizations across the country, all dedicated to pushing, amplifying childcare and care workers issues, we thank you, and we will continue to lean on you to be our strong champion.
Please, lean away.
Thank you very much.